Good morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. US markets were flat yesterday. Asian markets are mixed this morning, and they will be global markets will be looking for a Fed decision on rate cuts today. Expectation is divided whether the rate cut will be 25 basis points or 50 basis points. On the domestic front, India's merchandise trade deficit in August widened to a 10-month high of $30 billion. This is because of imports, which increased by 3% year on year, driven by gold, while exports fell by 9% year on year, dragged down by rising shipping costs and sluggish global demand. Freight costs for Indian exporters, shipping goods to Europe and US have more than doubled in the last year, driven by disruptions in the Red Sea. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Hello. Yeah, hi. So I would like to start with the Nifty. So talking about Nifty, it was expected. We have seen some flattish move in yesterday's trading session, and today also taking the cues from the global markets. We're expecting a flattish move, and there's going to be sideways movement in today's trading session as well. There's a major resistance in Nifty, which is at 25,500 levels. If that is broken, then only we can see higher levels to over 25,600 to 25,680 levels. Whereas the downside support for Nifty is currently placed at 25,340 and 25,270. Talking about Bank Nifty have shown a better move as compared to Nifty, a good positive average crossover as well. Is there in Bank Nifty? The immediate resistance for Bank Nifty is 52,500. If we see a closing above that, then we can expect 52,770 to 53,000 levels as well. Whereas the downside support for Bank Nifty is currently placed at 52,000, followed by 51,740. Talking about Fin Nifty, close at around 24,040 levels. The upside resistance is at 24,100, followed by 24,170. Whereas the downside support is at 23,940 and 23,870. Talking about stocks, we are seeing very less momentum in stocks these days. Although BL Kashyap is looking good at the current levels, can be bought for a target of 110 by keeping a strict stop loss of 101. Again, all cargo is looking good at current levels, can be bought for a target of 75 by keeping a strict stop loss of 66. So that's all from my side. I request Nirav to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. On the derivative front, see, the data is still positive. Most importantly, the VIX. The VIX has come down drastically. Open interest and PCR are still at comfortable levels, not really very high. So we expect further buying to continue. 25,500 is a small hurdle, not a big one. We might end up breaking this on the higher side going forward. But before that, there are chances, that, for the next couple of days, some sort of selling pressure can come in from 25,500. So for longs at this point, 25,400 should be a stop loss from the next couple of days perspective. Post 25,500 is broken, we can see 26,000 levels coming in as the next target with the highest call base around those areas. From the stock specific front, we expect MGL and chemical stocks specifically, Deepak, Nitrate, SRF, and the others to do well. So all in all, these stocks should do well because a lot of short covering action has been seen here, and we expect further buying to continue here. So yeah, that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over.
Good morning. Infosys has entered into a long-term collaboration with UK's Metro Bank, wherein it would be enhancing its IT and support functions, and also would digitally transform the bank's business operations. So that's positive for Infosys. The stock is trading at 26 times FY26 expected earnings. One can accumulate and hold the stocks for long-term gains. Globally, Accenture, yesterday the shares of Accenture actually fell following there were reports that the company is delaying promotion by 6 months since it is navigating a challenging environment. So that effect we can see on the IT stocks today. we believe that it would be a temporary phase. Lastly, Wipro had announced 8% salary hike for some of its top performing employees for 2024, starting from September month. So and this is an improvement to what it had given last year. Last year it had given on an average a 6% hike. So this year's 8% is better to boost up the morale of its employees. So this year, since till today, Wipro and TCS have announced the salary hikes, while other players like Infosys and HCL Tech have yet to confirm their plans. Wipro stock is trading at a PE of 21 times FY26 expected earnings. So that's a 28% discount to what TCS is trading. So one can buy the stock and with limited downside risk for a long term view. That's it from me. Thank you.
That's all from us. Have a good day.